Hi, we're Big Wise dietitians Carrie
and Andrea. You can tell it's fall in New England when everything turns pumpkin.
Today we're cooking up dishes that feature pumpkin as the star.
Pumpkin pancakes. In a large mixing bowl, add pancake mix, milk, pumpkin puree, vanilla, pumpkin pie spice, and sugar. Stir to combine. Heat griddle, spray with cooking spray, and drop batter onto hot pan. Reduce heat slightly and cook until edges bubble. Flip and cook another 1 to 2 minutes. Repeat with remaining batter and serve.
Pumpkin pasta. In a medium saucepan, melt buttery spread, add onions and cook until softened. Add garlic, sage, and rosemary. Stir in wine and cook 2 minutes. Stir in broth, cook another 3 to 4 minutes, then remove herbs. Stir in pumpkin and evaporated milk. Stir in cheeses, then remove from heat and season. Serve with pasta and enjoy.
For these recipes and more,
visit bigY.com.